Hello guys, Syed here. Welcome to Magic of Maths. Well, today's video I'm going to show you a proof of 1 equals to 2, which I found this in my 11th standard. That was way back 2006. So I proved 1 is equal to 2 using complex numbers. So, in 11th standard, first few lessons deal about complex number, and complex numbers was so much fascinating, and I was well into the complex numbers, and I was working out day and night, finding absurd proofs, hypothetical explanations, and all those stuff. And I stumbled upon in one proof where I proved 1 is equal to 2, which was indeed a mistake. Of course it's a mistake, but let us see in this video whether you are able to find the mistake, but everything seems perfect, legit, using complex numbers, and I got this result. So let us move on to the video where I will show you the proof. So we all know that complex number is represented by the letter I. And now we know that this is nothing but the square root of minus 1. So I took this as the first step. Now moving on into my proof, I squared it. So this becomes minus 1. So with keeping this into my mind, I came to a next conclusion. So let us assume 1, so it's like 1, so it's I is equal to root of minus 1, sorry. So I multiply by minus 1 on both the sides, so it's minus of I is equal to minus of 1 into root of minus 1. We know an identity that if a root b, I can write as root of a square b. So when you take a inside, you square it a, so a root b becomes square root of a square b. So I did the same thing to the previous step. So minus of I will be root of minus 1 the whole square, multiplied by minus 1. So this becomes minus 1, because minus 1 the whole square is 1. But we know from the first step that minus root of minus 1 is I. So minus I becomes I, or this is nothing but 2I is equal to 0. Therefore I is equal to 0. And this is 3. So with 1 and 3, I can write it as I is equal to minus root of minus 1, which is nothing but 0, from 2 and 3. I is minus 1 and I is 0, so this 0 should be equal to root of minus 1. So squaring on both the sides, minus 1, so this becomes minus 1 equal to 0. Now I add n on both the sides, so n minus 1 equal to n. If n is equal to 2, 2 minus 1 equals 2, therefore 1 equals to 2. I don't know what your comment would be. You can go through the steps. Let me know what's the mistake I have done and what's the mistake being called in mathematics. 1 is equal to 2, guys, using complex numbers, something like magic of maths.